welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another kitting down video. I am kitting down my Snowman family from Staroar. I will link the completion and the kitting up. No, wait, I didn't record this kitting up. I'll what's it called? Link the completion and anything related up there. So this one, I'm actually going to do a little bit of it on screen, not all completely time-lapse, because the Staroar kit does come with rhinestones, and they do have some ABs. And I don't have that many of them, so right now I have them in this, what's it called, index card holder that I got from Dollar Tree. I actually kind of like that they're only in this small container, because then if I want to embellish any sort of diamond painting, I just look through here and see what I have. I have yet to buy any special diamonds, just because one, I'm cheap, and two, sometimes adding the specials take a lot more effort, and sometimes I just want to do the diamond painting for fun. That's just me. But okay, so yeah, in the front here I have my square ABs, and then I have my round ABs, and then I have my rhinestones. I just keep them all in separate baggies and then just like look at them and see what I need. And then back here I have all the stuff that are just special shapes. I don't know why I'm keeping them. I figure at some point I might use them. I can't seem to throw them away. And I have actually used like these rhinestones all the time, like especially in my Christmas ones that have Christmas lights and things. And I replace the regular drills with the rhinestones because I think it adds the special sparkle. Like I did it for my LED light one, so if I remember, I'll link that up at the top. And what's that called? The one I'm currently working on, I have also replaced the windows. Like there was yellow in the windows to signify like light, and I replaced them with rhinestones. So I do keep these just, to add extra to my not so extra diamond paintings. So yeah. So I just end up using the small baggies for this because it's just, what's it called? In there, I don't mix them. Although, these, what's it called? Staroar ones have some sort of code on them. I don't know what code it is. And I saw a couple of my other rhinestones have some sort of code where the DMC is. So now I'm gonna wonder if any of these will match if these numbers match each other. But yeah, I don't think anything I currently have matches any of these things from Staroar. So maybe at some point they'll just get mixed because, what's it called? They have some sort of code. But a lot of the specials, because most of these are just from my like mandalas or something, they don't have an extra code. So we'll see if I end up mixing things. But for now, they're just gonna go into separate baggies, and then I just put it in there until I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So, and then yeah, my ABs are in here too. Okay, so now you see my really dinky one, and you've seen my photo boxes in multiple videos already. So now let's get on with the time lapse. Alright, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!